one thing also, we know that roles are going to evolve. Um, as I mentioned before,
Mhm.
the analytics products or analytics that, or someone that's like a data analyst, for example, that was responsible for creating dashboards, understanding what's going on with their customer experience. AI is automating a lot of that. You don't need to know how to write code or even do a statistical analysis because AI is going to do all that for you. And really, what's going to happen is those roles are going to change. The requirements needed for those roles are going to change. And I like to share this as well. Like when we think about the traditional frontline agent of like how they typically would grow, frontline agent can go from tier one to tier two. Maybe they go somewhere else in the
Yeah.
organization, like sales or marketing. Then they become a supervisor, or they go to frontline tier three agent. So there's kind of this dead end for frontline agents sometimes, unless they go to other parts of the organization. But what we see is that maybe there is this new type of role evolving, what we're calling an AI operator. So
Yep.
what's great about the frontline agents, they know the organization very well. They have this domain expertise. So we're not saying, okay, they're going to go into this role of like creating the AI, but they're just basically having observability of how the AI is interacting with customers or how it's creating dashboards around the customer experience. They're really kind of we're calling it an AI operator, but they're just keeping an eye on things, or we can even call it the human in the loop, right? They might be
Some
the one
people are
that's
calling it,
giving,
yeah.
yeah, that might be more of a better term here, where they're giving the okay for the AI to take some sort of action, right? So we know that AI is definitely changing roles, but specifically for customer contact, this could actually open up new roles for the frontline agents as well, and
Yep.
not just typically going into a supervisor or somewhere else. They could be now part of this, what we're calling the human in the loop or AI operator. Human in the loop is huge. I don't, again, we're not at a place where uh, bots can handle every interaction or even giving it permission to, but we can make the bots more productive and even your live agents more productive because they are a data source for those bots to, help them solve very, very complex interactions.